All right, this is going to be a lesson on Baby I Love Your Way by Peter Frampton. So we're going to have a strum, kind of our typical strum. We're going to have a G chord. So we got our down, down, up, down, up. That's going to be our basic strum for the whole song. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do that one. And then we're going to try to come into this D with the F sharp bass. So that's 4, 2, 3, 2. It's got a nice little ring to it. It's kind of like going from a G to an F sharp down to an E minor we're going into. So it's like a little walking bass line if you can pull that off. Now if you can't, just do a regular D. It's no problem. So we're going E minor. And the second measure of E minor goes dum, da, da, 2, oh. So like a little walking bass thing there. E minor. Dum, dum. You could either like just pull the 1 out of this to go to an A minor. You could kind of go like C to a G, kind of like those 3 big open strings, kind of mute the bottom one. You could just pull that 1 out, kind of up to you on that. A minor after that, so it's C, either pull 1 out or go kind of G-ish there, A minor, O1 on the second string into a D chord. Jing, jing. And at the end of that D chord, we got an up, down. So all together, let's go from that C part. Okay, so O1, D, up, down. So from the top. Okay, then we're in our verse. This is going to go G to B minor instead of that D with the F sharp. 3, 4. B minor, E minor again. Same thing with that little walking bass. 2, oh. Now C, 2 bars to F7. So I think this is the easier of the options. That's an F7. That's an F7, but it doesn't have the F in the bass. So I feel like this one, 3, 5, 4, 5. It's kind of a easily, if you work on it a little bit, you can be able to get that one. And you can get all kind of different 7 chords on that string if you can get used to that one. So we got G to B minor, 3, 4. E minor. E minor again with the walk down, 2, O, C. Twice. Then we got that F7. Sounds really extra cool if you can get that F7 in there. So wherever you want to do it. This is kind of a tough one though, like I say. 3, 2, 4, 1, or barring 1, 2, 1, 1. So kind of feel like that's your best bet. Plus it gets a little in the higher range. Sounds cool. So that's C twice. F7. Then we're going to go back to the verse. G. B minor, E minor, and again, the walk down, 2, O, C, 2 bars, F7 again. Okay, now this is like the end of the verse or like a pre-chorus type thing. We're gonna go to B minor, 2 bars of that. Now we're gonna go E7, 2, 1, 3, open. If you want to kind of cheat that one, you can go open 1, open, open. It doesn't quite have the same ring to it. So this new part, we got this pre-chorus, B minor, E7, A minor, and D7, O2, 1, 2. Now we're in the chorus, G, D, A minor, that's easy enough. So we got 3 times of that. Let's try that. G, D, A minor, C. We'll try that 3 times. Nice and slow. 3, 4. So once we've done the G, B, A minor, and C for the chorus 3 times, we're going to go back to the intro. G, D with the F sharp bass, E minor, 2, O, C, to the kind of open that one up, and then A minor, O, 1, D, up, down. Now we got a new verse, G to B minor to E minor, 3, 4. Bass walk down, C, 2 C's there, to that F7. We'll do all that again, G, B minor, E minor, walk down, C twice, F7 twice. Now we have that pre-chorus, B minor, E7, A minor, D7. Chorus again, G to D, A minor to C. Ready that 3 times. Okay, now we have like the piano solo. This is going to be to that D with the F sharp bass, and then E minor. Got to walk down, C twice, F7 twice. So it's very much like a verse, but instead of going to a B minor, it has that D with the F sharp. So here's the second time. Bass, C twice, F7 twice. So that was the piano solo. Then we come back in with that pre-chorus. B minor to E7, 2 bars each. A minor, D7 twice. Okay, now we have the last verse. B minor, F7 twice. Do that again. Back to that B minor pre-chorus. E7. A minor. D7. Chorus, G to D, A minor to C. Okay, so at this point, it just keeps repeating that. It actually does that 7 times. So it's like a double chorus if you did 4s instead of 3s in there. It doesn't have like the normal tag until the very end. So we got 7 times through that. Let's say this is the 7th time. We're gonna have G once, D with the F sharp bass, E minor, and then C. So it's like 1 strum each. You know, they each got like a bar. And then C, and then your last notes, 1 open on the B string, 2 on the G. So C, B, A, G chord. Okay, Baby I Love Your Way by Peter Frampton. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll talk to you soon.